What are you waiting for? Let's get him. Nice to see you again, Mr. Faulkner.
That bang on your head was an accident, Gaffney. I didn't push you, you fell. You gain nothing by this.
Yeah, right.
Lay off, Margot. Kate's right. We don't want to hurt him. I've got special plans for Steve. All right, get his clothes on.
Here, put these on. Gets pretty cold in here without the heating. Believe me, I know.
Privileges so soon after my arrival?
You three better get back to reception, see if Sandy needs you.
Okay.
Well, Mr. Faulkner, how does it feel being on the other side of the bars? I think you'll agree it's rather unpleasant.
Enjoy yourself while you can. Won't last for long. You want to make a deal?
Oh, did I say anything about a deal? All I'm saying is don't lump me in with the rest of these sheep. I'm an independent person. I'll do what's best for me.
Look, lady, from where I stand, you're in this up to your neck with the rest of them. Whatever they cop, you'll cop it too. Believe me, I'll make sure of that.
One thing I do not need is a sensation-seeking reporter.
Well, this has just been thrown out one of the windows. Steve Faulkner's. God knows what they're doing to him in there.
Or did he have a spare one in the locker? It could be a bluff.
It's got his ID on it.
So, now they have a hostage.